This is how to instantly fix a leaky water valve by your toilet without soldering, special equipment, or the $200 plumber bill. First, check to make sure the leak is actually coming from the valve and not dripping down from the toilet tank. You can do this by rubbing your fingers up the hose to the bottom of the tank to make sure your fingers are dry. To fix this, you'll need two tools: an adjustable wrench and a pair of channel lock pliers. Now take a look at the nut on the front of the valve. It turns left and right. Left to loosen, right to tighten. Inside the nut is a rubber sealing washer. To fix this, grab the body with your channel lock pliers to hold it still and turn the nut to the right with your adjustable wrench to tighten. Over time, the washer on the inside wears out and comes loose, and that's what causes these leaks a lot of the time. By tightening this nut, you will seal the rubber washer on the inside once again and instantly fix the leak. Make sure you don't over-tighten the nut, because if it's too tight, you won't be able to turn your valve knob. If you do tighten it too much, just slightly turn the nut back to the left enough to loosen the knob and you'll be back in business. Also, it's very important that you not try to skip holding the body with your pliers when you're turning the nut. It's very important because you don't want to cause any movement to the pipe going into the wall. And that is how to fix a leaky water valve instantly. If you've ever wanted to know how to fix a toilet that fills up too slowly, click the video on the screen, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.